Alrighty, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Dunlop Fretboard 65 Ultimate Lemon Oil. It's honestly a great lemon oil to keep your fretboard nice and conditioned. People have been using lemon oil forever to clean and condition their fretboards. And Dunlop has made a nice little bottle of it, a nice little unique solution of their own, and I've been using it forever, and it really does the job well. I use it, I would say, about every month, pretty much every month or every couple of months. It really depends on how my fretboard is looking when I change my strings, because I don't like to put too much of this on. I think it's a less is more sort of application for sure. And there are lots of reviews around the internet, and people are like, oh yeah, you put this on, but I put this on all the time, and I'm like, I've been using it for a while, but that doesn't mean that I put it on with every single change. I think sometimes it can be too much, especially if you're playing a lot and you're changing your strings a lot. That's not really necessary. But it comes in a nice little 4-ounce bottle, which actually lasts a long time. And I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that not a lot of it's coming out, because you have this little fuzzy applicator at the top, which lets just a tiny bit out when you start to squeeze it on your fretboard. And that's great because you don't want to use a lot of this. Again, it's less is more sort of thing. So it really, really, truly lasts forever. Essentially, what you do, you take it, you put it over your fretboard. I'm not going to do it right now because I have my strings on there. But you start to scrub it against every single fret parallel to the frets. And then all you have to do is take a nice little, microfiber towel or something soft and wipe it clean. And, and that's pretty much it. Definitely one thing to keep in mind is that you will have to clean before you use this. So it's not a one and done sort of thing. You will have to get on and remove all the dirt from your fretboard before you use it, which Dunlop has other products for that as well. But you can honestly just use a cloth and kind of scrub everything clean. When you apply it, you have to be very, very gentle about it. And again, really not too much. Too much can soak into the wood and be really, really bad for your guitar. So it's one of those things where you do have to be. It's a product where you have to be very mindful when using it. And a little side note, one thing, this is not meant for maple wood. A lot of people have been, saying that they use it on their maple wood guitars. Even Dunlop says, don't use it on maple wood. So, that's one thing to keep in mind before you go out and buy it. But once you have it spread on, you just wipe it clean with the towel and it's gone. It's a sealant, but it's like completely invisible, micro thin, so you really don't even notice it once you've wiped it off, or you shouldn't. It shouldn't be wet. As for the pros about this thing, it smells really nice, which is awesome. A lot of these lemon oil things have this like really chemical sort of smell, but it smells more like concentrated lemon. It's which is cool. It's more an inviting smell. The use, it's explained on the back of the bottle, and obviously I just explained it, but it is very, very self-explanatory. If you mess it up, I don't know how that happened. So that's, another nice thing. It's very self-explanatory. Very, very high quality, especially for the price. It's super cheap. You can get it just about anywhere. And yeah, and it's also really, really small, which is nice. I play a lot on the road, and so usually I'll take this along with other miniature Dunlop cleaner products that I have and pack them away and take them with me so I can clean my fretboard or guitar by whatever means necessary. All in all, it really just makes your fretboard look brand new. And it's really nice. I would highly recommend using this Dunlop 65 Ultimate Lemon Oil, especially over regular lemon oil cleaner you might have around the house, which can have some some, you know, damaging components to it. This is made specifically for guitars. So if you're looking for any sort of cleaner for your fretboard, this is the one to go to for sure. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little review, and I will, you know, see y'all soon.